All right, everybody, I'm just going to take you through a couple multiplying polynomials examples like you'll see in the assignment. So I just got 4 of them for you. So let's check out something like this. Here's some good words to remember. So I have 2 factors going on here. This is a single factor by itself, 2m. And then here I have this factor with 2 terms. So remember, if it's only got 1 term, the fancy word for it is a monomial. And then if something's got 2 terms, it would be called a binomial. Or if something had 3 terms, right? Shocker, it would be called a trinomial. So here we're multiplying a monomial with a binomial. And really the big thing to remember is just like last week we looked at this too, but m times m would give me an m squared. So 2 times 3 is 6. And then this guy is going to get distributed to here also. So that would be my final answer for that. Okay, let's keep rolling. So I got a binomial times a binomial. Okay, and then so I know some of you guys use a little box method or FOIL, but here I'm just going to do this times this, and then 6x times the negative 5, and then the 2 times the 3x, and then the 2 times the negative 5. Okay, and then once you get to there, don't forget to combine anything that you can. So these guys are the same. So negative 30x plus 6x. So it gives me 24 of those guys. And that's it. Okay. Third example looks something like this. So it's a binomial squared. I'm not going to actually work through all of this one. Just remember that all of this squared would be 2r plus 3 times 2r plus 3. Okay, and then you would have to go through and do like I did on the last example. A common mistake on this, people would say, oh, this just goes to both of these guys. Okay, that's not true. This times this. All right, and then my last one, I'm not going to work through all of this one either, but I just want to kind of talk about how to do something like this. So I have a trinomial times another trinomial. Okay, and if this was the case, I would essentially every term in here has to go to every term in here. So I would do these guys first. X squared times x squared would get me an x to the 4th. And then I would do x squared to the 5x. So that's going to be 5x cubed. And then I would do the x squared to the negative 4. Okay. And then I would go on to this term. 2x to the 3x squared. 6x cubed. And then I would do the 2x to the 5x. Okay. I'm running out of room here, but I would keep going in that sense. 2x to the negative 4, and then the 3 is going to go to all of those guys also. And then don't forget to combine like terms when you were all done. Okay? So that's it. What's up, man? Dropping off a package? Cool. So there you go. Yeah, it's cool. Do I have to sign or anything? All right. Cool. Have a good one. You guys got any plans for these eggs or what? Oh, did you drop those off? Yeah, I almost, because you guys said that you didn't have nothing to do with them. We almost couldn't find our eggs on Saturday, and I was like, oh, I wonder if I should just drive over here and sell a box to me. A box from you guys. So. Yeah, we're just gonna. The shelf life's 2 years on them, so we're just gonna. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So we're gonna save them from next year. Yeah, they're just little like toys in there and Tootsie Rolls and stuff. So. I know. I knew you were stuck, so I was like, oh man, I tried to just take one off your hands, but like I said, we ended up finding ours, and so it worked out. So. Well, if you ever had the need for some eggs, come on by. Hey, you too, man. See ya.